When we're out camping, all of us solar users, we got different strategies that we use for boondocking. And today I'm going to show you how to leave nothing on the table, and we're going to maximize all of our charging use of the day to our benefit. One of the biggest lessons that I've learned in using solar power was actually when to use solar power, when to utilize its capacity, when to take advantage of the sun. Today, that's what I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Now let me just walk you quickly through what my setup is here on my Bigfoot trailer. I've got a pretty typical 400 watt system and a 215 amp hour battery capacity. So I'm not really any, I don't have some big elaborate system. I just got a basic system that I would say the average guy has out there. So I found that what typically happens when you're out here camping, you're outside, you're doing all the things that you want to do, and then you head indoors, right, to recover from the day's activities or whatnot. You get inside, you're using your Starlink, you're watching TV, you're charging your gadgets and all that stuff, right? And you might not actually be doing that at the most optimum time of the day, and it's kind of putting you a little bit behind on how you can utilize your solar power. I found the best thing to do for battery utilization was to let your batteries top up to their maximum capacity in those first several hours of the day. And what's going to happen after that point becomes critical for you, really gain advantage here. You'll notice that when your batteries are full, what happens is your amperage actually drops in your solar panels, right? So it indicates on your charge controller that there's no more charging to do. Your amperage drops near zero. So that's the time to actually start loading up your system. I'll start plugging in my laptop, my iPhones, your batteries. Find more and more, today we've got gadgets that are, they're drawing quite a bit of power, and a lot of us now, not myself, but a lot of us have electric bikes, electric scooters, and all these things to get around. Those gadgets have got high energy costs, and there is a best time to utilize your charging times. Don't wait until at the end of the day, don't have full sun on your panels anymore. You want to be able to utilize all of that energy at the right time, and that time is when your batteries are full. So getting everything charged at that part of the day, it might be a little bit of a timing thing, you're out doing various things or whatnot, but the earlier that you get on that charging routine, the better it's going to be for you overall, and the most advantageous for you, because your batteries are just always going to be recovered. And then when you go into your nighttime routine, maybe you want to watch TV or streaming something on TV or whatnot, and you're just not going to have to worry about running out of power. So that's my routine here. That's my strategy, and I think it's going to work really good for you as well. Now, if you found something of value there, appreciate the thumbs up. Consider subscribing, because practical type of things is what we do on this channel, and I hope that you tag along on the next one. We'll see you next week at the next Fix It.